Guys, what's up? It's Camille. This is day 3 of my daily life vlogs thing, whatever. So I'm just sitting here like trying to solve this flipping damn Rubik's Cube with my mom. It's my mom's. It's like a different one. She got it for something. I don't know what she got it for, and about to just throw it at the wall. And because it's making me mad, like, I always wanted to solve a Rubik's Cube, but I suck, and so it's kind of hard. Fucking, like, I just want to cuss it out and then say forget it, and then whatever. They're not going to solve it anytime soon, so. Trap. I'm going to solve this. I'm going to solve it. This Rubik's Cube sucks. Oh, you know what? Peace out. I'm mad, so I'm like gonna watch the premiere of Jersey Shore. Alright. Whatever. Whatever. Oh my god. Oh, you know if I've seen this one. So, like, I got back from basketball practice. Okay, I got back from basketball practice at, like, like 5 or 6 something. Because our basketball practice is 2 hours long. And, yeah. Then I came home and I watched Dylan Holland on Blog TV. Oh, God, I love him. I need some more games for my Xbox. I really do. Oh my gosh. I'm like so. I don't even know right now. Like, it's not even funny. I'm sorry, guys. I was looking at something. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Shit. I gotta do my math. Oh, that was weird. I gotta do my pre-algebra math. I'm really dumb at math. I don't even know why I'm in pre-algebra, because I was in what you wanna call that? I was in 6th grade math last year. I'm in pre-algebra right now. Like I don't go to the same school as I did last year because it's like closing. And it's like, what the hell? Because it's like I never learned 7th grade math at all. I'm in pre-algebra right now. And I was in 6th grade math last year. And I'm like, what the heck? And I'm in 8th grade right now. It's really confusing because you're like, you don't really get anything. Like, for every single one of these, like, for every single question on here, I always have to ask teacher, okay? Help me with this math problem. In 20,000, in 2000, women made up 40% of freshmen studying computer science at a certain university. Write this percentage as a decimal and as a fraction in simple. What the fudge? Okay. Point. How'd you do it? Okay, as a decimal. As a decimal, that'd be .40. And as a fraction, that'd be. I don't even know. .40. You guys, I don't even know. I'm like doing my math while I'm making. Oh my god. Wait, what? Confusing. But you gotta keep your head up. Oh, take it off. 25. 4. 4. 4. Okay, I don't know if this is right, but I'm just gonna say it's right because. Right, how long has this been? Hold on. Okay, sorry, I do. But you guys, I'm gonna go so I can do my math, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I think. So, peace out, homies. Bye.